What's up, everybody? I'm back. It's a new day, and today we're working on the S4. I have done some work off camera. I just haven't recorded anything, but I'll show you the current status of that right now. So you can see, bam, I got the engine out, and it is almost torn apart. I'm working on, like I said, tearing it down, and then I'm gonna push it outside. I'm gonna pressure wash it. I got the turbos off and everything. So currently working on getting the studs out for the manifold, but I will show you. Let's see if you can see. It's a better one. Let's try this one. It's kind of dark, but I don't know that you can see that. But they have a little too much shaft play, so I'm gonna go ahead and rebuild them. I've never rebuilt turbos, so I'm gonna give it a whirl. I was really not planning on putting turbos on this right now, so if I can save those, I'll be stoked. Biggest thing is, like, obviously while I'm cleaning this, is everything is just so caked in oil. This car was very neglected before I got it, so we're gonna fix that. I'll show you what the car is looking like. Here's the car. It's chilling. Super monster truck right now because no engine, obviously. So you can see it's nice and empty and super caked in oil everywhere. So I'm gonna get that pressure washed too. So yeah, that's the current state of the S4 right now. I did start this because I did get a new truck and I got rid of my A3, so I don't have really like a good daily driver. I mean, I have my truck obviously, but I like to not put a ton of miles on that. So that's why I started doing this. But like I said, tearing this down, getting it ready to power wash. I'm gonna remove the alternator, power that wash that separately, remove the compressor, and get the timing belt off so that I can take the timing covers off. And I gotta lift the engine to take the flywheel off because I can't turn the engine over right now because it's too close. So gotta do that. So I'm gonna put in some work and I'll keep you updated. Alright, so it's now clean. I got it all pressure washed. I didn't film any of it because can't really film that, and I got super wet.
Oh yeah, freaking wet.
But I got everything cleaned as best I could with the pressure washer, the AC pumps, the alternators back there. Our string pump probably needs a little work. That turbo is still dirty. Gonna clean that myself. Here's the engine. Check that out. Nice and clean. Actually had to do it twice because there's still a bunch left over, but it's clean now. Heck yeah. Also, I did go ahead and rebuild one of the turbos already. I'm gonna make a video on the other one. I never did it, so like I said, so I wanted to do one before I try to make a video on it. So I got that done. Now we're gonna start taking stuff apart. I gotta replace the O-rings inside there, replace all the gaskets, and I think first I'm gonna take the valve covers off. I'm gonna replace the tensioner shoes, so I'll have to pull the cans out on both sides, and then we'll go from there. All right, so I went and put this stuff back together instead of what I said I was gonna do. I don't know why, just felt like it. But I got it all cleaned up and nice. Got the silicone hoses there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take the valve covers off and replace the tensioner shoes and the gaskets and the seals and all that stuff. So here we go. All right, so we are going to now, we got to lift it up. I got to get the engine hoist out because we got to put the new rear main seal on and the rear main seal plate, because I need to be able to put this oil block in for the turbos so that I could put the intake manifold on, and it would just make my life easier if I did it in this order. So that's what I'm doing. Alright, so I got that on. It's the 034 Motorsports. That's the billet remain, so I got that on, and I replaced the O-rings in this block, the turbo oil block, and that's all torqued. So now I'm going to put it back on the engine stand. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and reseal the oil pan. This is as far as I can get it to turn over because it's hitting the crossover pipe. And I kind of knew that before, and I just forgot that I needed to do that before I put the crossover pipe on. But here we are, and I'm not going to take it off, so we're going to do it like this. Alright guys, so I'm not sure if you could see, but a couple pieces fell out. This one was the original one that I found when we took the shoes off. Here's the old shoe, the broken shoe. But I found these pieces so far. I did spill some right there, so there might be a piece there. But if you can see, there's more pieces in there. Oh, yes! And that's the oil pickup. So I gotta make sure and get those out. That really sucks. But there's not much I can do about it other than take it apart. But that screen should have stopped pretty much everything. So we're just gonna count on that. Alright, so I got all that shit out. You can see really how much there was. I'm a little surprised I wasn't having any oil pressure issues, but stoked I wasn't. So yeah, I'm pretty sure I got it all out. Other than that, I got it ready. It's cleaned up. I did have a gasket on it, but I'm not going to reuse the gasket. I'm going to use silicone because, I don't know, I didn't buy one. So, yeah, we're going to go ahead and silicone it up. Alright guys, I decided I'm going to start throwing the exhaust manifolds on and the turbos on. I did go ahead, put the tensioner on, I got that. Put this on. This hose is a pain in the ass. All the power steering stuff's on. I kind of started messing with the wastegate lines, but I'm just going to wait till the turbos get in to make it easier. So I know exactly the length I need to cut everything. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that. I put new studs in, if I said that already. And I got new gaskets. Bam. And I got my manifolds Cerakoted. So those are looking nice. Nice. So I'm gonna start throwing those on now. Alright guys, so I bring this message to you from the future. This is where I'm going to end this video. Footage got a little long, so I'm going to make it into 2 parts. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll be finishing it up, throwing on the turbos. And until then, have a good one. See you next time. Peace out.